Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook glasswort and shrimp fried rice in Heartopia. So in this new event called Office event, you can cook any special food, and one of them is this glasswort and shrimp fried rice. But I think this recipe will be the permanent recipe. So after the event is over, you can still cook this recipe. And to cook this recipe is very easy. First, just go to your stove, the ordinary stove like this, and then after that, just choose the recipe, the glasswort and shrimp fried rice like this. You can just buy this recipe from NPC Massimo, and then after that, just complete all ingredients on here. You need the patty that you can get it from the gardening hobby. You can just plant it yourself, and then for the seed you can buy it from the NPC plant, and then after that you need glasswort that you can get it from the Willful Canyon, and then in here you also need common prawn that you can fish it at the easy. And after that, after all ingredients are complete, just simply tap start cooking like this. And okay, like this, you will successfully making glasswort and shrimp fried rice. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.